And it's time once again to get the Sunjo out. That's right. Press record, plane flies overhead. Okay, it's that time of year. We've collected a lot of branches from various cuttings that we've done around the yard. Before spring gets too heavy on us, I gotta chop those things down and put it in the compost bin because we're gonna expect some rain here pretty soon. And I figure the rain and all of that will help compost this stuff down. So break out the Sunjo, get going on it. I do have a video, I'll put a link to it, where we did an unboxing and a review of it a couple of years ago, and it's proven to be very, very good. We're gonna see if it works this year. And we've got some sunflower stalks that are pretty big, and I'm gonna see if I can get them into there. Don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I thought I'd take you along with me. All right, it's working. Guess that won't go in there. There you go, it's working. That might actually, oh, that's reverse. That's what that says there, in case it gets stuck. All right, let's start chomping. Now, it comes with a bag. Let's put the bag on. Got handy little hooks right here. But because of the number of branches I've got, I just put down a tarp. We'll pile it up right here, pick up the tarp, and dump it back into the compost bin. Hopefully that'll work better. Let's take a look and see what that thing did. Not bad. It took that branch that you saw and it converted it into this, which will go great in the compost bin. Now all I got to do is all that over there. Okay, we got one in there sideways, and it's just chewing on the side of that branch. Now I got to figure out how to get that thing out of there. Yeah, these are little wolf spiders. Got to be careful. You carry them in the house, it's going to freak shooting gal out. She didn't like these things. It's like he owns the place. Look at him. Yet another one. Okay, I got to get these for, I don't know what they are. Seconds? Got to get those off. Oh, there's another one. Dude. I did the unpardonable, I jumped the line. Those of you into filmmaking know what that's all about. Okay, will that work? Oh, wrong direction. No, it's not the right size. Be right back. It ends up being 3/16, of which I don't have for my drill, so it's by hand we go. I hope this is the right way to do this. Alright. Oh, look at that. That comes right off pretty good. And it exposes everything. Now, of course, I have the power undone. Oh, there you go. That thing was stuck inside of there and just kind of grinding away at the side. And not doing so good. But the blades look all okay. A little bit of rust in there. Yeah, let's, maybe I'll just leave that one be. There you go. That's what it kind of looks like inside there. Okay, got to put the plate back on. Continue on with the job. As it turns out, I do have a 3/16. It's just a sloppy one. Oh, better put the clutch on. Oh, of course, it falls in the wood. Now I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Stuff is just never easy, is it? Oh, great. Now, because it's not quite 3. Oh, there you go. Did you ever have one of those days? And then we'll take our hand variety, give it a snug down. Alright, I guess I better keep this thing out here, just in case. Let's resume. Alright, can you see this one? This one is rather fibrous. It's from a sunflower. I'm going to see if it'll take it. It's kind of thick, but we're going to give it a whirl. Success! Oh, okay, rule of thumb. If it doesn't go in the hole, don't give it a try. Yeah, this was from that sunflower too. Kind of cool. Very thick. Okay, I promised myself if I was going to let that sunflower grow, because of all the nutrients that it sucked out of the ground, I was going to get it back into the ground. That's why I chopped that up. Let's resume. All right, it struggled a little bit, but got it all ground down. The reason why I kept that sunflower was because, one, very pretty flowers. They were about so big, beautiful flowers, plus the shade that it gave the lettuce and things that I was growing was very beneficial. It just did suck a lot of nutrients out of the ground. And once I pulled it out, the Swiss chard started to grow really well. So they're in conflict with each other. So I learned something from that. I read once that if you use Epsom salts, you do the soil pretty good too, because that's magnesium sulfate. So I might give that a try and tend the ground a little bit with some of that as well. All right, let's dump this thing back in. Alrighty, all in all, pretty productive day. It only took, I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's not designed to take down redwoods or oak trees, you know, in its entirety. It's not what it's for. It's for taking down branches, twigs, rose bushes, and we found, as long as you split them up in quarters or so, you can take down pretty good size sunflower stalks. And it seemed to take it with aplomb. I'm going to leave a link down below where you can pick yourself up a Sunjo mulcher. That thing has been very, very handy for making compost and taking care of, you know, like I say, the branches and things and twigs that we have around the yard when we trim our trees and shrubbery. So I would recommend it to you. I think this is the third year, fourth year? I've lost track. 2020 and 2021 were kind of a blur. I know I used them both those years, and I'm pretty sure I used it in 2019. And if you look at the video, I guess, let's look at the video and then it'll tell you. They didn't pay me to do any of this. I'm taking one for the team. Yeah, so that's how long I've had the thing. And it's served me well, and it continues to serve me well. Thank you. Subscribers, you guys are awesome. Patreon patrons, you're even more awesome because, well, you're directly supporting me financially. But anybody that can support me by clicking my links down below and shopping on Amazon with my affiliate link, or any of the other things that I've got going on that I'm an affiliate with, and it's in your interest, please do that. You'll help my family. You'll help me. You'll help keep the channel going. And I would really, really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and you'll enjoy. Come right along with us. All right. That's it. That's all I got for you. Got to go clean things up, put the tools away, and I got to make sure I don't have any wolf spiders on me because that's not going to be a whole lot of fun with Shooting Gal when she gets in tonight. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. And these cup holders do come in handy for putting that stuff in there. Hold my beer.